Are you tired of feeling anxious, unfocused, or lacking confidence no matter how hard you try to stay positive? Well, here's a surprise for you. The problem might not be all in your head. It actually might be in your posture. Yep, how you sit or stand could be secretly messing with your mood and your stress levels. Studies in health psychology and ergonomics show that standing or sitting up straight can boost your mood and reduce stress in ways you'd never expect. Hi, I'm Wil Dieck, a college professor and martial artist, and today we're talking about how changing your posture can change everything, especially how you feel about yourself and the world around you. Stick around because by the end of this, you'll have simple science-backed moves that can help you feel more confident and focused fast. Let's start with a quick experiment. Right now, slump forward like you're scrolling through your phone. Shoulders rolled in, head down, just collapse into that position. Got it? Now sit up straight, pull those shoulders back, lift your chest. Notice anything? That little shift isn't just your muscles, it's your brain chemistry doing a quick flip-flop. And here's the kicker. Most of us spend way too much time in what I call the defeat posture, hunched over computers, staring at phones, slouching at couches. It's like our bodies we're just sending "I just lost a fight" signal to our brains. And guess what? Our brains actually believe it. EEG studies have found that when people slump forward, their brains show stress signals. Straighten up and those signals calm down instantly. So your brain literally runs better when you sit or stand tall. Slouching doesn't just look bad, it messes with your spinal alignment and may slow down the flow of cerebrospinal fluid that keeps your brain happy. Plus, forward head postures lower something called vagal tone, which is basically your body's chill out system. So when you're slumping, your stress system thinks you're under attack, even if all you're doing is checking your email. In martial arts, we say your stance is your foundation. If that foundation is shaky, everything else falls apart. A fighter with a terrible posture is basically announcing defeat before the bell even rings. But here's the good news. You can flip this switch in just 30 seconds. Moving from slouch to upright lowers cortisol, that's the stress hormone, and boosts testosterone, that's the confidence hormone. Your brain starts acting like it just won a big prize, even if all you did was fix how you sit. Your posture sends nonstop signals to your brain about who you are and how you should feel. Chances are right now, you're sending the wrong message without even realizing it. But certain poses can crank up that message to 11. There's one pose that can make you feel like a superhero in just 2 minutes. And no, it's not wearing a cape, although that might be fun and helpful too. These power poses tap into ancient biological programming wired into our DNA over thousands of years. Most people think confidence starts in the mind. Nope. Your body talks first, then your brain follows. Even tiny tweaks and how you hold yourself can cause rapid mental shifts. And try the Wonder Woman pose. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands on your hips, chest out. Hold it for 2 minutes, and people often report feeling more alert and energized afterwards. One woman went from dreading a job interview to looking forward to it just by doing this pose in the bathroom beforehand. And that's no joke. Then there's the victory stance. Here, your arms are raised overhead in a big V like you just won the lottery. Athletes do this naturally because their brains link it to winning moments. Your brain gets the memo and fires up those feel-good chemicals. Now, the executive pose is different, but still very powerful. Lean back in your chair with your hands behind your head and your elbows wide. It makes others see you as more authoritative, even if your words don't change. Science backs this up. Expansive postures send power signals straight to your brain's command center. Your hypothalamus can't tell fake confidence from real confidence. It just responds to what your body says. Harvard psychologist Amy Cuddy put it perfectly. By adopting the body language of confidence, you initiate the psychology of confidence. But martial arts takes this to the next level. In Tang Soo Do, or Korean karate, we use something called junbi. It's the ready position. Now, feet are balanced, knees are slightly bent, arms are positioned at the waist, fist closed in front of the groin area. This balanced ready stance combines alertness and relaxed attention, mirroring findings that posture influences both mood, and cognitive focus. And you're not just projecting confidence, you're actually ready for whatever comes next. People who adopt these postures stand taller, look sharper, and radiate energy within minutes. But knowing the poses is only one step. The real challenge is turning these quick wins into lasting change. That's where my 7-day posture revolution challenge comes in. Just 1 week to rewire your brain's default settings for confidence and clarity. Now, start by building awareness on days 1 and 2. Set phone alarms randomly during your day to check your posture, and then jot down how you feel about your energy and your confidence levels. Most people discover that they're slumped during their worst mental moments. Days 3 and 4, add power poses twice daily, maybe right before meetings or calls. The bathroom is a perfect place for this little secret weapon. Nobody questions extra bathroom breaks if your confidence soars afterwards. Day 5 through 7, bring ergonomic tweaks. Lift your computer screen to eye level so you stop looking down. Adjust your car mirrors higher to keep your head up while driving. Place a small pillow behind your lower back when sitting. These subtle fixes keep good posture going all day long. Keep a simple journal rating mood, energy, and confidence each morning and night. By day 7, you'll be amazed at how much taller and more powerful you feel. Small daily improvements build massive long-term mental shifts. Your brain will start defaulting to confidence instead of anxiety. Your body will hold itself with authority without even thinking about it. Sarah from Chicago turned her job interview luck around by just changing her posture during conversations and landed her dream job. So remember, changing your posture changes how the world sees you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. Your posture is like a remote control for your mental state. Every time you straighten up, you're rewiring your brain for success and confidence. Brief posture checks throughout the day reduce stress and improve focus by supporting healthier nervous system balance. Right now, stand up and strike one power pose for 2 minutes. Wonder Woman, victory stance, or executive pose. Feel that shift? That's your transformation starting today. Try these poses now and drop a comment telling me how it changed your mood, because your breakthrough starts with how you carry yourself. And if you'd like some quick feedback, just drop me a line in the comments section below. Oh, and one last thing. Just hit subscribe for more brain-boosting hacks that take just minutes but change everything. It's an easy and free way to support us, and you'll boost your brain power along the way. Until the next time, this is Wil Dieck wishing you only success. Remember, stand tall today to own tomorrow.